So at this point, it's kind of a tradition that after I come to the clinic to get my supply of tea, I like kind of do like a video. So I don't know why I do it here. It's so noisy. But I came here from Nagano today to get like 10 doses of tea, so I'll take those back and then I'll do my tea shots myself from now on. I did ask the doctor to do today's tea shot because even though I am perfectly capable of doing it, I've done it 10 times without problems. I still hate it because every time I do it, I'm like, what if I kill myself? And I'm not going to. But, you know, the fear. And I hate needles. If everything was fine and the only thing stopping me from like going to Thailand for top surgery was like the money that I don't have anymore, it would be crushing. It makes me feel better that there's this ludicrous travel ban on foreigners because at least then it's like the thing stopping me is not necessarily money, it's the fact that if I leave Japan, I might not be able to get back in. So there's at least that to kind of make me feel better, but not a whole lot. But yeah, but like at least, you know, the good thing is I missed Tokyo. I got to come back down to Tokyo and, you know, get my tea shot and get my supply and go back. And it's expensive, but like, you know, that is one good thing that I'm still able to do with my life. And I'm gonna go thrift shopping. I'm gonna get some more stuff that, you know, makes me feel good. Every time I do a video like this, I feel like I look a bit more comfortable in my skin. I look more like I feel like myself, and that's progress. And that is the kind of like progress that I want to focus on. That's what I want to, you know, pay attention to, and just kind of keep my head down and keep working and doing my thing. And hopefully by the end of this year, I'm in a better place than I absolutely was at the start of it. So once again, thanks for joining me on this journey. Still noisy and I'm running out of battery from this old phone, so I'm gonna sign out.